So ano bang
Mm.
goal natin? Bakit ba tayo nag-podcast?
Well, ang goal natin is to you know, to help people.
Like how?
Filipino. Well, how? Um, well, I'm here in Australia for a long time now.
Hmm.
So I see some Filipinos na na parang new yung mga bago dito sa Australia. So I think this podcast will help them.
Hmm.
So give them info,
Hmm.
or mag-comment sila sa videos natin kung
Hmm.
meron silang gustong malaman or
Yeah. Yeah.
especially maybe about visas maybe
Yeah.
or work, or some good places here in Australia.
Yeah.
Um,
Would only like to
yeah,
clarify that we have, of course, the reason we're here is because there was a process for us to be able to come here, but and within those processes, uh, isa sa mga bagay na ginawa namin or pinagdaanan namin is the visa process. And uh, ang mai-share namin halimbawa sa bagay na yun is yung mga experiences namin. We're not
mm,
migration officers, we're not lawyers, or we're not migration lawyers. So the only thing that we could share are the things that we personally experienced,
yeah,
and we'll be more than willing to share what we had to experience to be able to reach our status now. Um, and like what JR said, as a work, CJR, would you like to share with them what you used to do na nakatulong ka sa maraming Pilipino sa trabaho?
Tito's Talk.